In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in your HFM account on MT5. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to create your account. So I just opened up a demo account over here. I'm going to show you how to do it using this demo account. And after you do it, you'll receive credentials to actually sign into MT5 onto your email. So if you don't know how to do this, go to trading accounts, open either a live or a demo account like this. Here you have to select this one, which allows MT5, click on select, basically fill all this out over here, set your password to be able to sign into it, and then check this box if you agree and click on open account. After that, again, as I said, you'll receive credentials to your email, and then you want to open up your MT5, click on file, top left, click on open an account, and here you want to look for HFM. So HF markets like this, press enter, and it's going to basically find you HF markets. There we go. As you can see, these are the HF markets. And then it's going to tell you to which HF markets you have to go. For me, it's going to be the UK version. It's in your email. That's where you can find that info. And click on that, click on next. And here you want to click on connect with existing trade account, set in your login. So your login is going to be located inside your email. And then as you can see, it says unaccepted character. That's because I just copied that. I'm actually going to type this number because it doesn't allow me. 315803, there we go. And whenever you do this, you want to type in your password as well. There we go, just like that. And then you have to set the correct, basically the correct server. So it's going to be inside your email. You're going to be able to see what your server is. For me, it's going to be this demo one. As you can see, there's only 2 right now. And then make sure you actually double check. And if everything is correct, click on finish. And as you can see over here, you're going to get connected. So currently it's trying to connect to my account and it's going to basically allow you to get in here. So as you can see, I am now connected and that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.